Inserting.
Into the hose.
Wrong way. I don't know which way it goes. That's the problem. Oh yeah, that.
It's face forward.
Yeah. Ready? Whoa, that was a good one.
Hey, cutie.
Thank you. This will be on his YouTube.
You've got a YouTube account.
Have you not seen
You got
it?
followers?
Yeah.
How many?
Quite a few. It's called All Over the Boy. We've got 284 subscribers.
That's it?
Yeah, have you not seen those videos? There's videos on all the time.
That's all low.
It is too cute.
1 view. 8 views.
He had one that went viral, but it's only because he copied another video. He recorded it off my TV.